If your lashes look more blah than wow, you're missing out. Lash Princess is here to save the day. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. Mascara gives you bold, dramatic lashes, no falsies needed. This cruelty-free and paraben-free gem uses a conic shape fiber brush to define and separate each lash for maximum volume and sculpted length without clumps. Glide it on smoothly for a stunning false lash look that lasts all day. Here's how. Start with clean lashes. Apply from the base with a zigzag motion, let dry, and add a second coat for extra volume. Lightly coat your lower lashes for a complete bold look. Free from gluten, silicones, oil, and fragrance, and certified cruelty-free by PETA, you can feel good about your makeup routine. Ready to transform your lashes? Click the link in the description to get your Essence Lash Princess Mascara today. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the newest beauty products. See you next time.